Hey guys, welcome back to Miniature Mayhem, where we discuss about Hot Wheels. Now, in our last video, we discussed about the Batmobile from the animated series. On this video, we will also again discuss about the Batmobile from a different animated series called The Brave and the Bold. Now, this one debuted in the year 2010, and then this was designed by Alec Tam, right? Now, let's quickly unbox this car. Let's put these aside, we don't need that. Wow, what a cool car to have. And it says, if you closely notice over here, it says Hot Wheels. Yeah, and then about this particular car in my hand, this is a 2023 model. Then this comes in the 4x5 series. I mean, I completely tore this apart, but it comes in the 4x5 series of the Batman series, right? And then if you notice the color on this car, this is a Metalflake Bronze color. And then on top of it, if you notice, it has these black stripes that are running on the hood and also even on the sides, right? There are a few black stripes that are running here and there. And then it says Hot Wheels over here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but then it says Hot Wheels over there. And then the base of this car is plastic, and then it is black in color. And then if you notice over here, it again says DC, and then this is made in Malaysia, right? If you notice over here, it says made in Malaysia. The window on this is actually a clear window, and then the interiors on this is a black painting that has been done, so it gives you the feeling like if you look at the windows, that the windows itself are black, but then the interiors of this car are black, and then the window is of clear color. So if you notice the spin on this, it's actually quite decent. It's not too good, but if you notice the back wheel, it's wobbling around. So I would not say the build quality is that great. Like if you see, it is wobbling around. And then the way it slides, the sliding is pretty good. Like it goes pretty smooth. But then even on the previous car, right, if you notice the spin, it is not that great. So these Batmobiles don't have a great wheel spin, but then both of them have aero discs, right? Like the last one also had a purple aero disc. This time the one that I have in my hand has a bronze aero disc. Now, what is the speciality of these Batmobiles? I mean, of course, if you have watched the Batmobile series, be it the Ben Alfred ones or be it the animated series, the thing about Batmobiles is they can convert it into any vehicle, right? Like they can become a Batjet, they can become a Batboat or anything. So that's the cool part about a Batmobile. Other than that, coming about these particular Hot Wheels, both of them are a very cool design. Like this is from an animated series 5x5, and then this is from the Brave and Bold series 4x5, right? So this is in gold flake color, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So going forward, like in the next video, we'll probably unbox few more cars, and then I'll catch you soon. See you.